How to stay safe while driving in a tunnel. Keep moving. Unless it's an emergency, don't stop inside the tunnel. It helps keep traffic flowing smoothly. Stick to the speed limit. Observe all speed limits on the approaches to and through the tunnel. Caution, these may change. Keep a safe distance. Always maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you. For regular cars, leave at least a 2-second gap. Larger vehicles need a 4-second gap for safety. Follow directions. Avoid turning or reversing unless instructed to do so by the police or a traffic officer. This prevents confusion and keeps everyone safe. Stay alert. Be vigilant and watch for any signs like red X signals on the approach to the tunnel or while driving through the tunnel. Follow any emergency instructions. Traffic Wales, helping make journeys safer.